Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding series. I'm over here by where our next trader quest is. Grabbed a little bit of stuff on the way. And brought our trader stuff so we can run by the trader when he opens. But this time we're going to be looting the funeral home. And we're going to hop up and see what's in the coffins first. We'll read the book in a minute. Some seeds. Sniper. Leg shots cripple all but the strongest, have a chance to dismember. That's good. And we will loot this and then reset it and do it again. Treasure map. I don't need the sandwich. We're not too far from home, so I'm going to go ahead and read the treasure map. Let's see. It's down that way somewhere. So, overnight I did a little bit of crafting, just made more flagstone blocks and cobblestone. So that we'll be ready to build the horde base. Close that behind us. There's usually somebody over there and in that bathroom, but let's take care of him first. There we go. I guess they were the funeral directors. Anybody else in here? Nope. So as I was saying, overnight I just crafted some stuff we'll need for the horde base. I started to make a hunting knife because I want to make sure I harvest all the, corpses and things for the potassium, and had plenty of stuff for making farm plots, but I can still only make a level 1 because I haven't put any points into the knife stuff, so I decided not to and just stick with my bone knife for now. I don't think I've read the book that lets me get special stuff out of coffins. It's I think it's one of the Lucky Looter books that lets you occasionally get nuggets or diamonds or whatever out of coffins, but they're a little bit of easy wood, so I'll go ahead and grab them. And then let's see who we've got in here. Let's try our ramp trick. See if I can get up a little bit higher and maybe get some headshots. And there we go. Oh, well, I missed that and woke him up. And his buddy. Good. We'll clear all this stuff off the floor. Or take off his leg. And I'm going to grab the knife for the bags because I can get some rotten flesh and potassium out of these. So then I'll be able to make some more farm plots. I don't know if there's anything behind there. There is. An empty purse. Alright, let's check behind these other ones. Another hidden thing. Sewing kits and cat food. Yum. I can eat the cat food. I'm keeping the dog food for making I think it's the learning elixir that you need it for. And I don't think I've found the recipe for that yet, so I don't know why I'm breaking that. Did I wake everybody up in there? Well, I don't think I woke anybody up in here, but I think there's somebody at the door. Let's help them out a bit. There we go. Is that everybody? Ah, there's more bodies out there. We'll have to come back out and get those, but for now, I want to put frames in that door so nobody sneaks in behind me. Alright, let's see what we got. I've already read that. Let's see what we get. I don't see a way to loot around that, so... Beaker. Steroids, those will come in handy for the run home after double looting this place. Is there anything behind there? There is. Ammo. I don't need the extra of that. Glue. I made some glue overnight so I can make some more duct tape. Don't hit me, I don't want to be on fire. Thank you. See if I can reach those. I hear somebody somewhere. I don't know where. Probably up on the roof. I wonder if we'll have a vulture. Oh, he's here. Where did you come from? Looks like he broke in the side door. He really wanted to get in here. Alright, let's see. Animal fat and gunpowder. The gunpowder is good. Now, is there something behind there? Because that doesn't look like the normal air conditioner front. There is. I'd already looted it from the other side. Okay. Make sure I'm loaded. I have a feeling I'm gonna get vultured. Yep. Well, at least we got him with one shot. Is there any other vultures hiding up here? Alright, we'll just take him with the axe. Is that something? No. Nothing over there. Medical pile. More animal fat. Let's see. Scrap that. I'll eat a little bit of cat food. Ugh. Let's scrap the cans. I've got plenty at home, and I've got some drink down in the chest I put down there. So I'll fill my food and drink back up before we come back up here. Oh, well. Doesn't look like anybody's gonna fall on my head. Helmet light mod, iron arrow. I don't need the stone arrows, but I will take the rest of that. Hidden stash. Padded chest armor. I believe I'm already wearing that, and it's not worth much, so we will scrap it. Alright, I think that's everything up there. Now let's go over here and see who's gonna come say hello. I know there's somebody in that closet. I think I need to put some more points into stealth. They seem to wake up a lot. Ow. I didn't even walk over the noise things and they woke up. Oh well. Anything on top of there? Nope. And I guess this is the main loot room. So I don't really need splints. In fact, I think I have some in the chest down there that I picked up. That's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna have to scrap the brass. I don't want to use that yet. I want to use it for the way home. I've already got that in my... That's you know what? Let's use that. Just clear out some space. By the farm challenge, we'll go ahead and accept that. Let's take the armor stuff first and look at what I'm wearing. That is better than than mine, so I'm gonna modify that. Stick that in there, complete it, wear it, scrap that. I'm wearing the same one, again, not worth much. Padded gloves, 9, 8. It's not much of a change, and I don't really want to lose the stamina and increase the noise, so okay, let's see what else there is. Iron crossbow bolts. See what's in the Shotgun Messiah crate. A reflex sight mod. Now that would be nice if I had something to put it on. Okay. So it's going to take a bit for that to get done, so we can go down and drop all this stuff off in the chest and then reset it. I forgot that there are coffins on the sign. Can I not reach from here? Ugh. I need Go-Go Gadget arms. Nothing in that one. Same thing on this side. And nothing in that one. Alright, let's go drop all this in the chest. Make sure nobody's coming. And I will have to sort... Well, I can put that helmet light mod back in there. Actually, was it my helmet that I changed out? Yep, I'm thinking that was supposed to go in there. It's already got one. Okay. Wear that. Let's modify that, put that in there. That'll save us one spot. I will keep the lockpicks on me. And let's grab that and repair that. And pretty hungry and thirsty, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. Just a few more minutes for all that stuff to, or a few more seconds for all that stuff to finish. So we can drop it off in the chest and then we'll reset it and off we go. Come on. Pop all that in there. And club's repaired, so should be good to go. Alright, reset it. And it is not a fetch and clear, it's just a fetch quest, so... Well, that's nice, but I have iron tools, so I don't really need that. I don't even really need the one stone. Alright, who's in here? There's usually somebody in there, but... I think I missed that last time. Knuckles are not worth much. I'm getting some good books though. So now I can make the helmet mods. Craft diamond tipped blade mods. That's good. Let's go ahead and scrap that. Let's see what's hiding in here. Water, jars, some empty coffins, bullets. And I didn't bring a full stack of arrows so that if I found some, they could pile up with those. Alright, let's see who we've got. Close that behind me. I hear somebody snoring, but I don't see them. Guess I'll just run through and see if I can wake them up. Come here, buddy. Alright. Hiya. Alright, let's grab the body bags. Moldy backpack. Well, I should have plenty of jars after this. So the supplies, it says, are up somewhere. So I have to remember to get them before I leave, otherwise I'll fail the quest. Alright. More brass. Can. I've got some cans back at home, so for now I'm gonna just scrap them. I don't hear anybody else, and we leveled up. Let's scrap those. Could actually use some water, so I'll drink those. and then see what we get in the good loot. What's up on top? Medical supplies, more steroids. Didn't these used to be lootable drawers? I think they used to have like the some type of storage drawer thing that was lootable. Alright, let's scrap that. I know I can use that in recipes, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Scrap that. Goldenrod and aloe are nice. Search the trash. And there's Bernie Boy. But his head is away from me, so... Come here. Okay, so that's him taken care of. Let's see what all's in here. Getting lots of gunpowder out of this. I don't need the bandages right now. I want to repair that and get these. And I need my shovel. Always made me wonder why a funeral home just had some cement in the corner. Probably should have used the knife for that. That we've already looted from the other side. Alright, time to go up and say hi to the vultures. Or vulture. Come on, up a little bit. And he's behind that thing, so there's no way I can sneak up. I missed. Come here. Come here. Whee! I am infected. Well, it just so happens I have antibiotics right there. Let's use a pain pill. Did I not bring any first aid bandages with me? No, I didn't. It doesn't look like. So, let's use... I can't use that at this time. Okay. Do I have the... I don't have the water purifier mod, so I can't just drink the other water. Alright, let's go up here and grab the hidden stash. Ammo pile. I don't need the rest of those. Hidden stash. Lucky looter. Find more dukes. And tempered blade schematic. Alright, let's reload you. And not much point in sneaking, they're gonna wake up anyway, so... Oh, you fall down. Alright. So, more steroids. Tier 6 stuff. Scrap the sledgehammer. Actually, I don't even need to scrap the sledgehammer. 762. Now, let's have a look. I'm wearing scrap boots. I'd like to keep them, but I will switch out the chest armor. There's nothing else I can put in there. And what? Let's see. Yeah, it's only worth 58. Stun baton, I will scrap for the parts. And this time we get a Shamway. Well, I could use a little food and drink. And let's drink that. Let's look. I still need some water's going up, should be fine with that. So just need to get my abrasion treated, which aloe cream, first aid bandages, or first aid kits. Well, I will use an aloe cream to help with that, but we'll go get the coffins on the front up here, just to see if there's any more schematics we might could get. And then I've got to sort out the inventory so we can go to see the trader without being too bad off. Although I do have steroids, so. Alright, let's see. What can I take? Let's use one of those. I don't need cloth fragments. I don't know why I'm scrapping those. I just threw out the cloth fragments. I can scrap that. Take the honey. I'll leave the jars here for now. I'd rather have the glue with me. I don't have anything I don't want to take. I don't really need that right now, and I'd rather have the mechanical parts and stuff with me. We will eat that and take that. Although, if I was smart, I would do this. Duct tape, craft, throw that out. Take the duct tape back and the sewing kits I want. Paper, you can stay in there. Since I'm going to the trader, I kind of want to have the stuff with me that I'm wanting to sell. So make sure I'm loaded up. And head back to the trader. Oh, there's a crawler. Don't touch my ankles. Alright. I do not want to go in there. I know that's one of the, I think it's the tier 3 quests that you can get. And no thank you. It's either tier 3 or maybe even tier 2. There's another place I don't want to go into. I do know you can actually sneak up and get the good loot from the back without having to face the bears. So, might try that after I get my inventory cleared out. And I did also mark where there is a passing gas. So we can start maybe looking for some motorcycle parts or mini bike parts. Because those places seem to have better chance in the boxes of that. And then of course any place that has a garage. Watch my stamina. Alright, come on. We're almost there. I have a sip of my morning coffee. Okie dokie. And I'm probably going to do a shorter episode. I want to go ahead and build the horde base, but I'm going to build the same as I built in the last series, because I want to test it out past day 7 and hopefully I won't get knocked into being stuck in any blocks. Batter up. Weapon, flashlight, or batter up. I've already read that one. For those who don't know, you can tell because this book is open, whereas this one is closed. This means I have not read it. I don't have room for anything, so can I see your inventory, please? Let's sell that. Sell that. I'm gonna go ahead and sell the military parts. Sell that, sell that. I think that's about all I had intended to sell. I'll keep the reflex sight mod. Actually, I'll sell the 44. In real life, I think a 44 is a great gun. I hate it in 7 Days to Die. So let's get that and see if he has anything we need. The claw hammer would be nice because I need to build the horde base and can upgrade it easier with that. But I can also make one. So what mods do you have? Weighted head. Not really anything I need. I could put the hunter into my bow, but it's for living beings. It's just for deer and things like that. So let's see what weapons he's got. There's an AK. I do have quite a few 7.62. That might be good to have for Horde Night. I usually prefer a pistol, but as he doesn't have one available, I think I'm going to go ahead and get that. I clicked on the wrong one. I was like, why didn't he give me the gun? And can't afford that at the moment, but let's see. That should, between that and the club and the blunderbuss, we should be all right for Horde Night. Did he have any mods that go on that? No. Burst mod, schematic. Okay, well, we'll see what I have back at the base, but let's read that. Can the reflex sight go on that? It can. So that's good. What other jobs do you have? Let's go with that one. So we'll pop home and dump this stuff in a dump chest, which is kind of the opposite way from the quest, but I'm already full on inventory. I hear you. So I want to drop some of this off, and I know, stamina. I also want to check the vending machine over here and see if there's anything I need out of it. Did I wake up everybody inside? Eye candy I will take. I will take that. Skull crushers, melee damage, that'll be good for Horde Night. Oh, hi, buddy. Hold that. Okay. So, which way is the front of my house? Must not have had enough coffee. I don't even know how to get into my own house. Funny thing is, I'm watching some older 7 Days to Die series from various people who I've watched over the years just to, get some ideas and, do the best content I can. And in one of his series is, I believe it's the Fist Only Challenge, Jawoodle is actually living in this same house. And he does his little zombie, he calls it zombie force field, on the front, keep zombies from coming in, which might not be a bad idea, but let's see. Where did I put weapons? Weapons go over there. I'm not going to carry the AK with me. I want to keep it for Horde Night. Give me that. So I do have, that should be plenty of ammo for that for the first Horde Night. So can I put a magazine extender on it? I can. So that has 2 mods, does 49 with a 43 magazine. That's not bad. And this is, of course, a backup blunderbuss in case this one, for some reason, goes kaput. I did actually mean to sell those baton parts. Let's see. And while I sort out my inventory, I'm just going to pause the recording and I'll be back. Okay, I've got all the inventory sorted. Just getting stuff put away. I should probably take some food and drink with me, but I don't want to fill up my inventory. I think, though, that I am out of stews and stuff. Can I make stews yet? I don't remember. No. I'd need to put another point in that, which means I need strength level 3. Which might not be bad as far as being able to get Pummel Pete up too. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then the next point we get can go into there so I can make some of the stews, hopefully. Let's see. I think I've got everything I need to head out, though. I'm going to take this stuff and start building the Horde base, and one thing I need to do is get some forged iron for making a hammer, so I'll get that started. I don't really have that much iron to put in there. May have to grab some resources. I've found a big chunk of iron here, and basically what I'm going to do is, since this area is fairly clear here, I'm just going to build the Horde base there. I want to be a little bit away from the house so that hopefully things don't spawn inside these walls when Horde Night does come. But because I've built the Horde base in the last episode, or in the last series, sorry, I am going to just leave this here while I go do some building while I still have daylight. And let's see what else I need to make a hammer real quick. 4 duct tape. I've got that. So let's make a hammer. But I am going to leave this episode here and go ahead and start building that. Grab some more resources and just try and get set for Horde Day. I want to get everything built, and then tomorrow we can just do quests, and then we'll see what we do on Horde Day. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. Hope I see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.